And what are we doing here today in St Mellons skate park?
Today we're spray painting the skate park.
What kind of colours do you guys think you're going to use today?
Like green, blue, rainbows.
What kind of designs do you want to do?
3Ds.
Have you enjoyed doing a graffiti project?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it.
Same.
What have you enjoyed about it? What's good about it?
Spray painting.
I enjoy doing the spray painting because it's welcoming to the community.
So we've been doing a lot of art expressing personal identity initially to get them used to designing stuff for themselves to take home, and then after that thinking about stuff to make for the community. So yeah, start small, think about yourself, and then after that developing it and making something for the public.
And what are you guys doing here today at St Mellons?
We were painting our hands.
See? Oh my god, is it a heart? Have you got the other end? That's cool.
We've been graffitiing what happens and hobbies in the community. So bikes, basketball, and then just around the front a logo of St Mellons Youth Club.
Yeah, you've been enjoying it?
Yeah,
What's good about it?
it's just fun and an opportunity for all of us to do something instead of around the streets.
I think it's fun trying new things and just exploring.
Hopefully we're giving the young people a chance to try something new. I think a lot of young people kind of get labelled not always the best things, so this is a chance to show everyone what they can do and give them a chance to work at something they haven't really done before and nurture it to the end. Instead of giving up halfway through, we just kind of help them, support them when it's not going well, show them how to fix it, and just encourage them basically.
Do you think other young people should get involved in doing activities like this?
Yeah,
Why should they get involved?
because it keeps them off the streets.
That's a good experience.
And what activities would you guys take part in today?
Football
And
and
painting.
Yeah, I think the best thing about today's been seeing young people that wouldn't normally do something like this, working as a team and getting the job done very nicely.
In one word, how would you sum up today?
Fun, exciting and creating. Yeah, creative, because obviously we've created all this together as a youth club.
Excited because it's something that I've always wanted to do.
I would say fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Doing art is a chance to get out, meet people, feel good about yourself, and yeah, just nice excuse for nice bright colours really.